67 million light-years away, a galaxy is breaking all the rules. NGC 2775 is so strange that astronomers can't agree on the type of galaxy, and the more they study it, the weirder it gets. Because light takes so long to travel across space, when we look at NGC 2775, we're seeing it as it appeared 67 million years ago, just before the extinction of the dinosaurs. But the real mystery isn't when we're seeing it, it's what we're actually looking at. Galaxies come in well-defined categories: spirals with elegant arms, smooth ellipticals, irregular galaxies, and hybrid lenticulars. NGC 2775 doesn't fit neatly into any of them. Today, we're exploring the galaxy that defies classification. Before we dive into what makes NGC 2775 so unusual, let's understand how we normally classify galaxies. Galaxies are enormous collections of stars, dust, gas, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. Most major galaxies have supermassive black holes at their centers, consuming nearby matter and causing the galaxy's core to glow. The most famous galaxies are spirals with beautiful twisting arms full of star-forming regions. Elliptical galaxies appear as smooth, featureless blobs, often resulting from galaxy collisions that churn up their structure. Irregular galaxies have chaotic, undefined shapes. Then there are lenticular galaxies, fascinating hybrids that share traits of both spirals and ellipticals. They have disks like spirals but lack prominent arms. Understanding these categories is crucial to solving the NGC 2775 mystery. Now let's examine NGC 2775, captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. The galaxy's center is huge and completely homogeneous, devoid of distinguishable features. This looks exactly like an elliptical galaxy. Ellipticals form when galaxies collide, with the gravitational churning destroying their intricate structures, leaving fuzzy blobs. But here's where it gets weird. The outer section of NGC 2775 clearly has structure. It's sporting what look like compacted spiral arms, filled with patches of red and blue. These colors indicate that active star formation is occurring. This looks nothing like an elliptical, it looks like a spiral galaxy. Understanding galaxies has a fundamental limitation. We can only see them from one angle. Unlike planets and moons in our solar system, which we can send spacecraft to orbit and view from all sides, galaxies are so distant that we're stuck with Earth's perspective. That's why we see so many edge-on galaxies. It's simply the angle from which we view them. This single viewpoint limitation is the core problem with classifying NGC 2775. From our angle, it displays characteristics of multiple galaxy types, but from another vantage point, millions of light-years away, it might look completely different. We're trying to solve a 3D puzzle with only a 2D image. Astronomers have found a crucial clue, though it's invisible in these Hubble images. Surrounding NGC 2775 is a massive tail of hydrogen gas stretching 100,000 light-years, roughly the diameter of our entire Milky Way galaxy. This tail tells a violent story. This hydrogen tail is likely the remnant of one or more smaller galaxies torn apart and devoured by NGC 2775. Galaxy cannibalism is common in the universe, and such mergers fundamentally transform a galaxy's structure. This could explain NGC 2775's bizarre hybrid appearance. So what is NGC 2775? Astronomers have narrowed it to two main possibilities. First, it could be a lenticular galaxy, an old spiral that merged with other galaxies, creating its smooth core while retaining remnant structure in its outer regions. Lenticulars might also form when spirals run out of the gas and dust needed to form new stars, causing their arms to fade. Alternatively, it could be a spiral galaxy caught in transition, its core smoothed by past mergers, but its outer regions still actively forming stars. The merger history suggested by that hydrogen tail supports this interpretation. For now, NGC 2775 remains unclassifiable, a cosmic enigma 67 million light-years away. It reminds us that the universe doesn't always fit neatly into our categories. Sometimes the most fascinating objects are the ones that break all the rules. And that's what makes astronomy endlessly surprising.